Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to care of my face step by step. Start by cleansing with a gentle cleanser using lukewarm water and circular motions, then pat skin dry with a clean towel. Follow with a lightweight hydrating serum applied to damp skin, then a moisturizer suited to your skin type. Always use broad-spectrum SPF during the day and reapply as needed after sweating. Adjust products for sensitivity or acne, and consult a dermatologist for persistent concerns. Exfoliate once or twice weekly to remove dead skin cells and brighten complexion, using a chemical exfoliant for gentle, even results. Apply a mask suited to your skin concerns and follow package timing, then rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Treat the under eye area with a lightweight eye cream, using your ring finger to gently tap product into the skin to avoid tugging and protect delicate tissue. Limit exfoliation if you use retinoids or have active breakouts. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite and enjoy relaxed downtime while your skin masks work. Check the description for that link and other deals to save time and money on skincare tools. Don't forget to leave questions in the comments below. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. At night, double cleanse if you wore makeup or SPF, starting with an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based one to ensure a clean canvas. Apply targeted serums like vitamin C or niacinamide based on your goals, layering thinnest to thickest for best absorption. Finish with a nourishing night cream and consider a weekly treatment like a retinol only if your skin tolerates it, building up slowly. Be consistent nightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.